Hey there riders, welcome to my channel. I'm Wild Rider, and today we're going to install handlebars. A little bit of an early Christmas present for me. They call these motorcycle hangers. Motorcycle hanger. It's for an 883 and an XL 1200. They come in black. But before we can do anything, we gotta remove the old ones. I gotta strip all this down, so let's get to it. Now, I've never been a fan of the way that these handlebars have been set up. Well, at least with the short bars on there. I wanted something to pull back. The bikes in which I ride, I need to have something that pulls back. Let's see, the bit I'm using, G25. I believe these cables work without having to change out, but we'll see. And if I have to change them out, well, there's another video. And that little hissing sound that you're hearing is it's actually my heater. Now, one of the problems which I've had in the past with these is that they're these little plastic caps are just junk. I thought it'd be a cool idea in order to keep them on there, but I don't think that anymore. I thought so. I wonder if they were hot or out. Just couldn't remember. There we go. Piece of junk. Let's see. Alright, this can be moved all the way off. So, as you can see, we got this bar off, but we don't have this off. Oh no! I used a little bit of glue when I installed this. In fact, I don't even know if I end up making a video on this at all or not, but no, I didn't use glue. No glue. And as you can see, this is what I've been dealing with. I got this. It's fine if you want to have a BMX bike, but I'm not exactly like that. Oh crap. You can definitely tell the difference on this. I'll show it in the better camera. You can see where it grips. I prefer these. This has no grips at all, so they can just move around. Oh my god, this will fit. This is just making me excited.
One eternity later.
There we go. Handlebars are now in place. Have to make some adjustments here and there. Of course, it's usually pre-trip or while riding. I hate you. I'm so sorry. Alright. Definitely gonna like this better. Hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed making it. Go ahead and click that like, subscribe button. As always, I'm Wild Rider. Ride safe. I'll see you on the next ride.